Next, past paper practice. A very much crucial area, past paper practice. Obviously, past paper practice is very much important. ACCA past paper practice is very much important. Attempt the questions. You must need to attempt the questions, read the answers. Read the answer, but first of all, you should attempt the question by yourself and then read the answers. Note down the mistakes, accept it. Read the examiner comments. Often the students neglect the examiner comments. They are not studying the examiner comments. So examiner comments, why I am emphasizing on examiner comments, because examiner comments are, the conclusion that on average how many students attempted the question correctly, how many students perceive the wrong requirement, they perceived it wrong and wrote the wrong answers. So examiner comments is also very much important. Must attempt the recent past papers from ACCA practice platform. See that you people are appearing, just a minute, you people are appearing for paper AAA for December 2025 session, and for you people the most recent past papers are 2022, 2023 and 2024. But one more important point, whatever the question practice you are having on your VLS portal by me, you must need to follow those, number one, and must attempt the recent past papers as I am guiding right now. Read the mind of the marker. At the very starting point, read the mind of the marker. Now what is this? Read the mind of the marker. It is not the official document by me. It is the official document by ACCA. It's a very important document. No, it's a mind-blowing document on a very serious point. What is the importance of it? The importance of it was that in this read the mind of the marker, the marking team has selected two answer scripts. One was good answer script, second was underperforming answer script. And that marking team had differentiated that why candidate number 1 got 5 out of 5 marks and why candidate number 2 got 2 out of 5 marks, for example. So they highlighted the mistake of the students and explained it. This is the official document. You can even find out and download from ACCA website. So, but this is the document it's not the time you are supposed to read it. Why? Because you have to read it in the at the end of your syllabus. So this is the importance of it. Examiner has presented the marked answer script of 2 students along with the marked allotted with the comments. This will help to understand the marking scheme in the CRQ.